Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Profit Trader. So we'll continue with the second part. Okay, so our trading symbol name is done, and I'm looking for some of the strike price, the ATM symbol which I was talking about. Okay, in which I have to mention a last price. Okay, so name and each and everything can be taken from as an input, and this last price you can opt from uh, any module or HTTP request. Okay, so last price is, suppose if last price is 43,500 rupees is there, so I can get with these things, and I need to get this last price, or straight away, as I can say that strike. Okay, so I can mention them as a strike as well. Okay, means I can do some of the calculation with that last price can be done. Okay, but I'm giving the input from my side, so I think it will be best. Okay, so now what happens, this instruments I will keep it in a block, that is parentheses. Okay, I will close this stuff, and I will call one more stuff which is strike. Okay, and here I believe expiry is also required. Okay, so we'll definitely gonna see uh, for the strike, and say suppose I have to name them as in same instruments of strike. Okay, instruments of a strike, and the strike which I'm gonna match here will be equivalent to strike. Okay, and here I will close. So you can check the header, and after this you can match it out some format. Okay, now say suppose if I talk about trading symbol. Okay, I need to fetch some of the trading symbol. Okay, so I will say whether it is available or not. Okay, and I try to figure out with two symbols. Okay, means only two letterheads I required. Okay, so I think I'm calling this stuff. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, I should get the values. Okay, so as you can see, it's 23rd October, 43,500 C, and this is the symbol which I think I am talking about. So I got the 43,500 C and P. Okay, so the expiries which is going to be held. Okay, and the expiries which I am receiving. Okay, so this is the current expiry symbols which I am getting here. Okay, and so suppose the first header which I am which I think I am taking, and I'm looking for, and one more thing which you can sort it out. Okay, so suppose if you locate at first, you will definitely gonna get the first of the symbols. Okay, and zeroth will be C, and so suppose I'm looking for P, it will be 1. So it depends on your sorting method how exactly you are going. So this is also you can do with a few steps, you will easily can get the required stuff. Okay, so I got 43,500 P. So CP you can select as per your requirement and can utilize. So I got the ATM with if if I got a last price, so I can do some of the calculation which I think I've been already done in the video, which you can check from your side. Okay, and I must say that few of the coding stuff I maybe easily can achieve. You first need to check your what type of brokers is providing, whether they are giving an equally weightage. Like say suppose if the expiry is got expired and they are taking out that symbols and giving you new symbols. Okay, so and everything is in a proper sequence wise, then few of the steps you can follow and can get easily this expiries. Okay, otherwise you need to sort it out few steps, as I talked about uh, you know this name and strike only, in which you can mention as in CEPs all of the steps which you can do. Okay, and there will be expiries is also there, so you can give it an expiry, also you can take some calculation on nearby sorting method which you can do. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.